Imagine parrots making video calls. It sounds crazy, but a study has shown that parrots actually enjoy communicating with their fellow parrots via screens. Scientists taught 18 parrots to make video calls by ringing a bell. And the birds were completely thrilled. They sang together and even learned new things from each other, such as finding food or new sounds. The most amazing part? Some parrots still make these calls today because they have formed a virtual friendship with each other.
Do you want to talk to her? You do? Okay. There you go, say hello.
Would you allow your pet to make a video call?